Yep, so that's pretty much the end of the day. One drink and it's gonna be a night.
Or that's just a start, I don't know.
Let's put a miles to 0. It's time for another road trip. This time we're doing it a little bit different. We're doing a motorcycle camping trip with my buddy Maciek. He's on a Sportster 1200 and we are going towards Lake Superior in Michigan. So we're pushing some highway miles and we are right on the border with Wisconsin. And this trip we're going to do just 2 states, Wisconsin and Michigan. Today is going to be a pretty easy day. We got about 220 miles to go, so we should be there around 12 o'clock or 1. Alright, so we just got to Milwaukee, Wisconsin. We're just going to take a quick stop at Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson is right here. I'm not sure if it's going to be open, but at least we should be able to take a picture. Check it out, Harley-Davidson Motor Company. The first home of Harley-Davidson was 10 feet by 15 feet shed. Okay, behind the Harley-Davidson family home. Nice. Alright, so we're at the first stop today. Harley-Davidson, Milwaukee. It's a museum over here. And they got also the shop, but of course it's a little bit early for that. Shit. Our fucking gypsy motorcycles. Gypsy trip.
Hungry. Eat coffee.
Alright, let's go and get some coffee. It doesn't look too busy over here. Shit, it's Wednesday. Oh, fucking potholes. It's Wednesday morning, 9 a.m. It looks pretty much dead over here. That looks real nice. We got a Starbucks over here. We're gonna drink it. Alright. Time for a second coffee.
Second.
Shit. Alright, I had one. Alright. Had a coffee. Let's keep going. Sipping on straight boring. Let the vibes slide over. That's a nice house. Alright, so finally got by the black front. Real nice. Just took a little break, water break. I have to keep going.
Hydration.
Yep. Got about an hour, 12 minutes to go. Easy. And your sticker, $20. Wisconsin plates, out of state 38. Huh? Alright, we got the campsite. Alright, we made it to the campsite, still in Wisconsin. So now it's time to unpack.
All tired.
Set up the camp.
And have some food real quick.
Cheers.
Let's see what we have in here. Oh.
We got some awesome chili, no beans, chili with beans.
Ooh, that's fucking
Let's
quick.
take a second. Do we have plates and shit like that? Alright,
I'm not sure if I
chili
wanna,
looks pretty good.
not sure if I want to sit down at all.
No?
Ah, my fucking ass.
Pretty good.
Now we only need the mattresses and sleeping bag.
Okay, so we got two separate mattresses over here. So this way it's not gonna be any homo. Not that we got something against it, but yeah,
But no homo.
not tonight. All right, so it looks like we got everything set up over here for tonight. We had some food, of course, delicious food, and it's time to hit the beach.
Oh, you can go inside for $5.
I think I'm fine. No, they give you $5.
That was not impressive. Alright, we out of here.
Alright, that was pretty cool.
Perfect.
Worth a 4-hour drive.
My ass still hurts.
And for $5 you can go to this lighthouse. Actually, they give you $5 to go there.
Yeah.
Like moved it from here to here.
Everything off-roading now?
That looks like a nice private beach. See what's going on over here. Yeah, so we found another lighthouse, but the problem is that it's on the other side. And that's the shuttle bus. How you doing? Looks a little more exciting than the other one.
Perfect. How was it?
Fucking miserable like always. Alright. Alright, we found a semi-private beach. Let's see how's the water. Mucho romántico.
I know.
Yep.
Started to rain.
Started to rain, so need to put a fucking rain gear.
Some fucking bushes. Jesus.
Yep. Alright.
And stop.
Yep, pretty much stopped raining. So we got the rain suits on.
And it stopped raining.
Kind of stopped raining, but the seats are wet. So it's gonna save our asses a little bit. So let's go to the grocery store.
Get some gas, some beer.
Yep. So we got our shopping done for today. So we are set for the evening. We got some heavy milk, some beers, a little bit of coffee.
Lost camper, we might be lost
Yeah.
pretty soon. Sure. 8 years ago today.
Pretty cool gas station with comes with a view. Let me show you. Yeah, the bird's close today.
Fat bundle, we'll go fat.
Get the fat one.
Okay.
Alright, so we got 2 bundles of fucking wood and some ice on top of it. Hopefully it's not gonna fall.
Where's Jaeger?
On the bottom.
Górny Śląsk, that's where I'm from. Represent. O kurwa.
Yep, so that's pretty much the end of the day. One drink and it's gonna be a night.
Or that's just the start, I don't know. Warm Red Bull. Okay, that's it.
Here's quiet.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
First day.
That's like
Okay.
Red Bull.
Yeah. O kurwa. Co to? Co to?
Oh.
Strasznie chujowe takie jażki, kurwa. Nie wiem, czy warte były tych $3. Zdrowie.
Nice.